Money does not have to come from a job. And more people need to know this ASAP. Even though I grew up black and broke in the US, lower middle class, I have traveled to 24 different countries. And last year, I left the United States to live abroad as a digital nomad. I am currently recording this video from Mexico. And the number one question that I get is, how do you afford this life? So I'm gonna tell you, I'm going to share with you how much money I earned from income streams and side hustles that are not a traditional job in January and February of this year. The last time I did one of these videos was back in December. Y'all, life has been crazy, so forgive me for being kind of behind on these, but I appreciate y'all still hanging in there with me. I will also share the total at the end, and just so you know, this is from 14 different income streams. However, like I have said many times before, primarily the money that I earn while I am traveling and living abroad comes from two things: digital marketing and affiliate marketing, which I show you how to do in the cash flow come up checklist at the top of my profile. So kicking it off with Amazon, which is one of my affiliate marketing income streams from the Amazon influencer program for January and February of this year, I earned $212.58. Next up is Rakuten, which is my absolute favorite cashback app that everybody should be using. And from Rakuten, I earned $30 from a referral sign up, which is also affiliate marketing. Third is my next favorite cashback app, which is Brand Club. And from Brand Club, I earn $2.90. I mostly earn from Brand Club whenever I shop on Amazon. And since I live abroad, I don't shop on Amazon as much. So there's that. Next up is digital products, which is my top earner these days. And that has actually changed over time. It used to be affiliate marketing, but now it's digital products. That is my top earner. $4,402 in digital products. I'm so grateful, y'all. It really has been such a journey. If you go to the top of my profile, you will see a button in there that says Passive Income Mastery. If you want to start selling digital products, I highly recommend that community as a place to start. I also have a book published on Amazon, and in the past 2 months, that book has earned me $45.21. I do not put the amount of effort and energy into selling that book as I should, but it is what it is. Paid market research studies. This is another income stream I've been trying to put y'all onto. $446.25 in 2 months. Y'all, these are things that anybody can do, and I share all about these in my cash flow come up checklist. Another affiliate marketing income stream. So I had 2 referrals from Stan Store, so I made $40 from those. TikTok shop, which to be honest with you, I rarely ever do for multiple reasons, but I did get $12.80, so I'll take it. TikTok content. This is also digital marketing, things like going live and subscriptions. From that, I earned $28.05. Another affiliate marketing income stream. This one is from Trusted House Sitters, where I earned $73.28. By the way, highly, highly recommend Trusted House Sitters. Y'all, this ain't my house. This ain't my house. I'm here rent free. DM me if you want more information. And last but not least are digital product affiliates, and I earned $12. I am not out here doing anything that y'all cannot do, okay? If you do not know where to start, if you want to start earning more money from anywhere in the world so that you can increase that travel budget, head to the top of my profile and get that cash flow come up checklist. Ask me whatever questions you have in the comments below.